Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find someone on Instagram using phone number. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on account, and here you need to click on contact synchronizing, and then you need to turn that on. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and click on three bars in the top right, and here you can see the option of discover people. Under favorites, click on that option, and here you can find people from your contact list. So this is our process by which you can find any person from your contact list by using phone number. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.